प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यापूर्वी आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, 9 and 10 शिकलो. आता आपण आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5, 6 आणि 7 चा अभ्यास करू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 बघूया. या क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मध्ये दिला आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 बघा. सी फिगर, फाइंड RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे RP and PS. फिगर ऑब्झर्व करून कशाची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे आपल्याला? RP आणि PS. आता आपण प्रॉपर्टीज शिकलो आहे ट्रायंगलच्या. इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलमध्ये आपण 30, 60, 90 डिग्रीची एक ट्रायंगलची प्रॉपर्टी शिकलो आणि दुसरी शिकलो 45, 45 अँड 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल. मग सोल्युशन. फिगर ऑब्झर्व केले. इन ट्रायंगल PSR, angle P it is 30 degree, angle S it is a 90 degree, and angle R will be, what is that? It will be 60 degree. So it means that triangle PSR is a 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. So solution. First, in triangle PSR, what we have? Angle P is equal to 30 degree. Angle S is given to be 90 degree. Therefore, angle R will be a 60 degree. 180 मधून या दोघांची 30 आणि 90 ची सम मायनस केली तर अँगल आर काय आला तुमचा? अँगल आर विल बी ए 60. देअरफॉर व्हॉट वी से दॅट ट्रायंगल PSR is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. So we know that the property of this. So therefore, in figure, the side opposite to 30 degree is given. It is given to be 6. So now in figure, what we say that SR is equal to 1/2 into PR. Reason is that side opposite to 30 degree. So side opposite to 30. Now SR is given to be 6. Therefore 6 is equal to 1/2 into PR. Therefore PR is equal to 6 into 2, that is a 12 unit. Next, similarly, what is the R is a 60 degree. Angle R is a 60. So side opposite to 60 degree, it is that the PS. So next PS is equal to, what is PS is equal to? So now PS it is equal to √3/2 into hypotenuse, that is a PR. That is a PR. Here reason is that side opposite to, what is opposite to 60 degree. Therefore PS is equal to √3/2 into, what is PR? You will determine it is there. PR is equal to 12 unit. इथे 12 लिया into 12. Now this पे कबे बे सक 12. So now therefore PS is equal to 6 root 3 unit. So this is the values of PR and PS. Hence the answer. Question number 5. Question number 5. For finding Question number 5. For finding AB and BC with the help of information given in figure 2.20, complete following activity. आपल्याला खालील ॲक्टिव्हिटी पूर्ण करायची आहे. आता या फिगरमध्ये तुम्हाला काय दिलेलं आहे? ही अशी फिगर आहे. AB इक्वल टू BC आणि दिली रूट 8. बघायचं AB इक्वल टू BC म्हणजे काय झाला? आयसोसिलियस ट्रायंगल झाला. काय झाला? आयसोसिलियस ट्रायंगल म्हणजे बेस अँगल्स काय होतील? कॉन्ग्रुएंट. तर बेस अँगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट होती. मग आता बेस अँगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट झाले म्हणजे अँगल ए आणि अँगल ए आणि अँगल सी काय होईल? कॉन्ग्रुएंट होईल. हा 90चा आहे म्हणून या दोन्ही 90च होईल. 90ला 2 म्हणजे हा कितीचा होईल? 45 डिग्री आणि हा होईल 45 डिग्री. सो ट्रायंगल ABC, it is what type of triangle? It is a 45, 45 and 90 degree. मग कंप्लीट करू आपण. इथे काय दिलं? AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. This is given. It is a given. Reason जे आहे दिलं, काय दिलं आहे? गिवन. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ them. गिवन झालं. नंतर therefore what is that? Angle BAC is equal to, sides are congruent, so angle opposite them, that is BAC is equal to BCA. They are congruent. Their measurement is equal to 45 degree. So now therefore AB equal to BC is equal to, इथे हा ट्रायंगल कोणत्या टाईपचा झाला आपला? 45, 45, 90 डिग्री. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 45, 45 and 90 degree. Side opposite to 45 degree are 1 by root 2 into the hypotenuse. So AB is equal to BC into 1 by root 2 into hypotenuse काय इथे? AC. That is equal to 1 by root 2. So now this is 1 by root 2 into root 8. So that is, so now that is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 8. What is root 8? याला सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर 4 into root 2. So under root of 4, that is 2. This is a 2 root 2. So here is 2 root 2. So root 2 cancel. So that is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. So this is that the answer of is completed here. The side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. कोणती फिगर दिली आहे आपल्याला? स्क्वेअर दिलेली आहे. स्क्वेअरमध्ये काय राहील? ऑल द साइड्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील अँड ईच अँगल इज 90 डिग्री. मग तर डायगोनल काय येईल? वी हॅव द फॉर्म्युला टू डिटरमाइन द डायगोनल ऑफ ए स्क्वेअर. सो डायगोनल ऑफ ए स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू √2 into side is equal to √2 into side. So side of a square. So now solution here using the formula. What to find out? The side. We have to find out side and perimeter. So now we have solution. We have what we have that we have diagonal is equal to diagonal of a square is equal to √2 into side. So diagonal is given to be 10 centimeter. So keeping here the value of diagonal, 10 is equal to √2 into side. Therefore side is equal to याला डिविजन ला जाईल 10 upon √2. So now therefore side is equal to, rationalize the denominator. So side equal to 10 √2 into √2 upon √2. Therefore side of a square is equal to 10 √2 upon √2 into √2 means 2x. Therefore side is equal to, what is side is equal to? Here is remaining 5 into √2 unit or centimeter, 5 √2 centimeter. Now what to determine? Perimeter of a square. We know that what is perimeter? Sum of all sides of a figure square. So that is 4 into side. So what is 4 into side means 5 √2. To 20 √2. Hence side of a square is 5 √2 centimeter and perimeter of a square is 20 √2 centimeter. Question number 7. In figure, angle DFE 90 degree, FG perpendicular to E, GD is equal to 8, FG is equal to 12. Then find EG, FD and E. Now here in triangle DEF, angle F is 90 degree. FG perpendicular to D. बघा in triangle DEF, F is 90 degree and FG perpendicular to D. Then this segment G is known as a geometric mean which divides the diagonals, which divides the solution. In triangle DFE, angle F 90 degree and FG is perpendicular to FG perpendicular to DE. Therefore, what we have that FG square is equal to DZ into GE. DZ into GE. What is, why this is that? This is property of geometric mean. Geometric mean. Now keeping the values here, therefore, what is FG? FG is given to be 12. So this is 12 square is equal to, what is DZ? It is to be 8 into GE. So therefore GE is equal to 12 square upon 8. So therefore GE is equal to 12 into 12 upon 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are this, and 2 6s are 12. So therefore GE is equal to 6 into 3. Therefore GE is equal to 18 unit. Is equal to 18 unit. This is first. Now second here that to determine FD means we have to find this. Now see this triangle FGD, angle G is 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras, so in triangle FGD, what is angle G is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by using Pythagoras, what we have, हाँ 90 है, Pythagoras वापर 90, hypotenuse का will DF. So therefore DF square is equal to GD square plus FG square. Therefore DF square is equal to, what is GD square? GD means 8. It's a square. What is FG? Means 12. 12 is a square. So now therefore we have DF square, 8 a square 64 plus 144. Therefore DF square is equal to 208. Therefore DF is equal to under root of 208. Therefore DF is equal to 16 into 13. So therefore DF is equal to 4 root 13. Next we have to find EF. So now here see that in triangle FGE, this angle G is 90 degree. It is perpendicular. FG is perpendicular to D. So therefore angle G is 90 degree. So similarly in triangle FGE, angle G is equal to 90 degree. Similarly in triangle FGE, angle G is 90 degree. Therefore again using Pythagoras. So what is hypotenuse? That is EF square is equal to, what is GE square or EG square plus GF square. This is a GF square. EF square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to this side square remaining GE square and this is FG square. Now therefore EF square is equal to, what is easy? We already determined that it is 18 square plus GF, that determined that GF is, what is 12? So this is 12 square. So now 18 square, EF square is equal to 18 square 324 plus 144 plus 144, that is equal to EF square is equal to sum of these 468. EF square is equal to 468. Therefore this will be equal to, EF is equal to under root of 468. So therefore EF is equal to 6. This is will be 36 into 13. Therefore EF is equal to 6 root 13. In this way we can solve, or we can find the answer of these questions by using geometric mean, and again by using the Pythagoras theorem in between the two triangles which is formed by the perpendicular sides.